If you're looking to up your cosmetic game, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Ms. Mojo, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 5 expensive makeup products worth splurging on. Before we begin, we publish new videos every day, so be sure to subscribe for more great content. For this list, we've looked at mid-range and high-end products that consistently get great reviews and are cult favorite staples. Number 5. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. A great concealer is a must-have for anyone, whether you're a makeup enthusiast or not. While there are a lot of great drugstore concealers out there, none can compare to NARS Creamy Concealer formula. This medium to full coverage concealer works for both under eyes and blemishes, offering buildable coverage that will last you all day long. YouTubers and makeup artists alike love this stuff for both simple application and more complex contouring. It has a subtle illuminating quality that will make you look wide awake no matter how late you stayed up the night before. Bonus, it comes in a wide enough range of shades that there should be a color to match every complexion. Number 4. Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. If there's one thing in your makeup bag worth splurging on, it's a high-quality foundation. Foundation serves as a base for the rest of your makeup, so you want it to be flawless. Finding a formula that works well with your skin type can be challenging, but the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation is a holy grail type product for many makeup addicts out there. The best thing about this foundation is that you can use it for light natural coverage or build it up for a full-on flawless glam look. In the years since its debut, this best-selling product has expanded its range to include 40 shades in order to offer even better skin tone matching. Number 3. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Full defined brows are a must for any modern makeup maven. Anastasia is known for being the go-to brand for on-trend brows, offering a wide range of products from gels and pomades to pencils and tints. But their most popular offering by far is the Brow Wiz, an easy-to-use retractable pencil that lets you fill in your brows with precision. It also features a dense brush that allows you to tame your brows and can be used both before and after filling them in. Their shade range is limited, but all the available tones do a great job of imitating natural hair colors. Number 2. NARS Blush. Investing in a NARS blush is a no-brainer. The shades are so pigmented that you only need to use it sparingly, meaning that one can last you years. As a result, this seemingly pricey product becomes totally affordable when you calculate on a cost-per-use basis. The most popular shade is Orgasm, a shimmery peachy pink that's known for working with most skin tones and for being versatile enough for both everyday and nighttime looks. If you're not crazy about powder blush, you can try the Multiple, a creamy stick formula by NARS that can be used as a blush, highlight, lipstick, or even eye color. Number 1. Urban Decay Naked Palette. Even if you don't wear eyeshadow on an everyday basis, a neutral eyeshadow palette is a great thing to have on your vanity. Plus, it's a smart product to splurge on since it lasts forever and can be very versatile. Urban Decay makes a wide range of high-quality palettes, which have proved incredibly popular since their release of the original Naked palette. Since they now offer Naked 1, 2, and 3, as well as a Smoky palette and 2 Naked Basics palettes, there's really something for everyone. If you're looking for something with a few more pops of color, the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette is another great pick.
Do you agree with our picks? Check out these other great clips from Ms. Mojo and subscribe for new videos every day.